Hey guys, so I'm here and I just got my new 30.5 meter long hose here. And so this is it. It's super heavy duty and it's pretty light. It's high PSI rated and it got a good temperature rating. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what it looks like. Oh man. So this is what it looks like, guys. So I'm going to open it up here, wrap this out. Show you guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's definitely No-Kink because man, it's a solid hose, that's for sure. So I'm gonna go, oh man, it really is a solid hose. So look, let me put this inside here. So I just hooked it up there, but I want to show you guys, this is what the hose looks like here. So it is super long and it's got, the tops of it have this nice kind of firm thing to hold on to, which is really nice, both sides of it. So I'm going to show you guys, this hose is sweet. Look how long it is. It's super long and you can see it's not kinking at all, as you can tell there, but let me turn it on here and show you guys. So it's a super long hose, so it'll take a while for the water to go all the way around. Let me make sure I turned it on. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so here it is. This is what the water looks like when it's coming out. Ooh, it's a big stream too. But yeah, I mean, this is a super long hose and this is perfect for whatever you need it for, especially how it won't kink. Because look, you can see it there. But I like it. I got to give it a thumbs up.